But I have a slight obsession with sweet tea. I love, love, love McDonald's sweet tea, but I don't leave my house enough to get it frequently. Making sweet tea at home today. With about 4 cups of water, put that in your saucepan. And actually, I don't usually measure this, so I'm trying to measure it so that you know how to make it. Doesn't really look like enough, so I'm gonna grab 2 more. So we're gonna go with 6 cups of water. 6 cups of water. Now we're gonna grab our tea bags. I simply just use these black tea bags from Aldis, and we're gonna throw in 8 tea bags. We're gonna turn this on, let it come to just like a soft rolling boil, and then we're gonna turn it down and let it steep. Once your tea starts boiling like that, you're just gonna turn the heat off and you're gonna let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Boiled and steeped for at least 15 minutes, grab your iced tea pitcher. Don't have one? Can't be the only one. Yes, this just came out of the dishwasher. It has been used so many times for tea. It's just permanently stained. This is our tea container. So grab your container, grab your sugar, because it's some sweet tea, bitch. You want some sugar. And we're gonna add about 2 cups of sugar down into our container. Yeah, it's a lot. Hey, if you don't like it this sweet, by all means, adjust it to your likeness. This is just what we like, so this is how it's been made for decades. All right, so we got our sugar in the container. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hot tea and we're gonna pour it over so that your sugar starts to dissolve. Grab your pan back with the tea bag still in it, cold water. And add your cold water. Squeeze your tea bags with your spoon. Give it a quick stir. And if you're not to the top, just add a little more cold water. All right, and there's your gorgeous container of delicious